How to make a line draw animation by Cora Cook. But first, the facts. Winnie the Pooh was based on the real stuffed bear that belonged to A. Milne's son, Christopher Robin Milne. Christopher was also a character in the books. The name Winnie was based on a Canadian black bear at the London Zoo, and Pooh was the name of a swan. The first book was published in 1926, then Disney acquired the rights to the character in 1961. Now back to the video. Click on the app that says Keynote. Click on Choose a Theme. There's a lot of good themes you can use, but the best one for line draw is Basic White. Delete all access. Click the photo icon and hit Drawing. Click the colorful circle and look for red. Then draw a circle and color it in. Make a black line at the bottom of the balloon. Then draw a long black line at the bottom for the string. Now draw black lines at the top of the balloon. 4. Draw a white exclamation mark. Find a light honey color and then draw a long, thin oval. This will be Winnie the Pooh's arm. Then find a darker color and make the other hand. Do it to the top of the original hand. Then go back to the original color and draw a black line. Then draw kind of like an oval circle, but only draw like a quarter of it. Now to draw his feet. His thighs. Then make a circle shape and draw his other foot. Color it in and draw his thigh. Then you're going to finish the rest of his body. Finish off the long oval circle. Then make the ears. You can change the size of the shape. Go down and then go straight for his face and his nose. Then go up, down, and then connect it and color it in. Now do the black lines so it doesn't look all scribbled on. Then go back to a dark color, black, and draw his nose. It's kind of like a triangle shape, and then do the top, then color it in. Do a little dot for his eye. Go back to a dark honey color and kind of draw where his neck's supposed to be, or his head. Then do the outline of his feet. If there's any access that you don't like, then color it in, or hit the redo button. Make red, the color red. Draw a line on his first arm, make it a little oversized, and kind of curve it. This will be his sleeve. Then color it in. Then kind of outline his body, but stop kind of near his feet, like halfway to his feet. And then draw the top of his shirt. And then erase the neck part. Make it more look like he has a neck. Now you have the Winnie the Pooh. But also you have to do the second arm too, because he has sleeves too. If the shirt's too short, then make it a little bit longer and then color that in. Then click the colorful circle and do brown for the trunk. Use the paint because all you have to do is just do the shape that you want and it'll fill it in for you. If there's any white spots, make sure to fill them in so it doesn't look weird. Then draw a line, thick line, for the stem. And then draw another one on top of that for another branch. Then click the colorful circle again and do a light green for the leaves. The crayon's a good choice for this one because it's easier to get all the texture. Go from the top and then go somewhat to the bottom. Kind of like almost to the end, but maybe like a few inches off. Make sure that there's barely any brown spots to see, but if there still are, then go to the colorful circle and hit darker green and then do it on top of it and then go back and then do it again for an even darker one. That makes it just look a little bit better. And if you like how it looks, then you can keep it the way it is. Now you have to animate it. Hit the drawing you want and then click animate. Now hit line draw and it does it for you. If it's too fast, then get out of that, hit the line draw and then change the duration speed. I personally say 27 seconds, but if you want to go higher or lower, that's okay. And make sure it's not on tap. hit the play button and then hit with build. If it's on tap, then you have to tap it to make it look nice. If you want to change the background, you have to hit the paintbrush, hit background, and then change what you want. Then hit the tree and then do the same thing. And watch it go. If there's anything you don't like about it, then make sure you change it.